ingredients for the custard are 4 egg yolks, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3/4 cup of sugar and 2 cups of milk. Now I'm going to boil the milk. So first put the milk in. And I'm going to wait till it boils and stir continuously. I'm so excited to use this new gift that I got for Christmas. My grandparents got it for me, so I don't have to manually mix it. I can just use it, attach it to the stand, and it can beat on its own. So first I'm going to put all these ingredients: the sugar, the cornstarch, the eggs and the butter. Okay. Beating, I'm going to slowly put in the milk. Now I'm going to put the pudding mixture into the bowl, switch on the induction and boil it so it becomes thick. And I'm going to mix it till it becomes thick. See, it becomes very thick like this. So now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It has a nice smell because if you put fruits in the custard, it will become a fruit salad. But I'm not going to have it with the fruit salad because I want to have it plain because I love custard. Now let me taste.